Nature photography becomes captivating when colors and textures feel alive and clear. Today, how to create vibrant nature photography. Open Photoshop and create a canvas about 4,000 by 2,600 pixels at 300 dpi. Import your nature image and immediately duplicate the layer to protect the original file. Start by selecting Filter and opening the Camera Raw filter panel, where you can increase vibrance slightly and add a moderate boost to texture and clarity. This will naturally enhance details in leaves, rocks, and tree bark. Duplicate the layer and apply a high